now I am going to do the other side with the facial mitt. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this wet with nice hot water. And I'm gonna get both sides. I got both sides wet. Wring out gently. And put my hand in here. Feels good. And see what that does. Aha! I say. That's pretty great. And again, I'm going to rub against itself. And rinse. And even rub my fingernail over it. What a fun angle, huh? Alright, so I would say I feel pretty clean here. I can't wait to go lay down on the pillowcase, my brand new Norwex pillowcase, and go to sleep. I don't know if you can see it. It seems like I'm getting kind of a glare. Maybe I'll go out here. You can see my finger kind of, I don't know, not really indentations, but I would say it's really actually quite clean. So, but you are getting kind of some glares that makes it look like it's dirty, but I think it's just kind of the way the nap is running. I'd say it's really nice and clean. So, and then here's the exfoliating side. Nice. Wow. It feels really good. Maybe even getting a little more makeup out of my pores. That's cool. So, rinse that guy. I think I'll like this in the shower too. And, wow. I think that's a winner. My face is washed. I'm going to go ahead and put my face serum, my Norwex face serum, my Norwex night cream, and my Norwex eye cream, just like I do every night. Love it so much. And I'm going to hang these up to dry, and they will be good to go for tomorrow.